Number fifth. Okay. Yes. If Chameli has 600 rupees left after spending 75% of her money. 75% of her money. Chameli had 600 rupees left. How much did she have in the beginning? Okay. Let Chameli has had amount in the beginning. Let Chameli had amount in the beginning. Chameli had amount in the beginning. X rupees X. Rupees X. Okay. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Yes. Chameli had 600 rupees left after spending 75% of her money. 75% of X is equal to 600.
No, sir. Just 75
Go.
minus over, sir.
If Chameli had 600 rupees left after spending 75% of money she had spent. Okay, and left is 600 rupees. Amount spent is 75% of X rupees. 75% of X. 75 by 100 into X. 25 threes are 25 fours. 3 by 4x. Yes. Out of X rupees, 3 by 4 X rupees spent. So amount left is X minus 3 by 4 X. Okay. Amount left. The left amount. Rupees X minus 3 by 4x. 3 by 4x. Yes. 4x minus 3x. 4x minus 3x. That is your x by 4. And actual left amount is how much?
600.
Actual left amount
There
is
will be 600.
left amount. Rupees.
There will be 600.
Okay, yes. According to question. Yes. X by 4 is equal to 600. x is equal to 4 into 600.
Sir, x is equal to 4 into 600.
X is equal to
It
2400.
is 2400.
Okay, so Chameli has amount in the beginning. Therefore, Chameli has amount in the beginning. In the beginning. Rupees 2400. 2004. Do it fast.
Sir, please scroll up.
Sir, done.
बोलिए बेटा.
Done, sir.
Scroll up. There is nothing. Sir, done.
Sir, please scroll it up.
Yes. 60% people in a city like cricket. Number of people like cricket. Like cricket. How much? 60%.
60%.
Yes. Number of people like football. How much?
The 30%.
30%. Yes. 60%, 30% like football and remaining like other games. Okay. Number of people like other games. Other games.
Sir, 10%.
100 minus 60 plus 30. Percentage. 100 minus 90 percent. That is 10%. Okay. 10%.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Total number of people is total number of people. $50 lakh. Okay. 50 lakh. Total number of people is 50 lakh. Yes. Number of people like cricket. Cricket is 60%. Number of people like cricket. Number of people like cricket. That is 60% of 50 lakh.
60% of 50 lakh.
60% of 50 lakh. Of 50 lakh.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 0.
5 lakh.
5 lakh.
30.
7 0. How much?
Sir, 70 crores.
One stands 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh crore. It means 60. 60. Okay.
Yes, sir. 60.
Yes.
No, the mark.
Okay. Yes. 60% of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. 60 by 100. Okay. This cancel out. Only 2 zeros. 6 5 the 30. 4 0 from there and 1 0 from this. Okay.
So 30 lakh.
30
30 lakh people.
30 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 30 lakh. Okay. 30 lakh.
Yes, sir.
30 lakh. 30 lakh. 30 lakh. And number of people like football 30%. 30% number of people like football.
Sir, 50 lakh people.
Number of people like football. That is 30% of 50 lakh. Thirty by 100 into 50 lakh. Yes, 3 5s are 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15 lakh.
Yes, sir. 15 lakh.
Yes. And number of people like other games 5 lakh.
Sir, 5 lakh.
Yes. Number of people like other games. Like other games. Okay. Yes, 50 lakh minus 30 plus 15 lakh. Okay. 50 minus 45. It becomes 5 lakh. Please check the answer.
Yes, sir. Correct. So because 15 plus 30, 25 and
Yes. Finding the increase or decrease percent. Finding the increase or decrease percent. Increase or decrease percent. Decrease percentage. Yes, increase percentage first is your increase percentage. Increase percentage कैसे फाइंड आउट करोगे? Increase value upon total value into 100. Okay. Increase value, total value into 100. Okay. Yes. Increase price. Sorry. Increase price. Increase price कैसे निकालना? Increase price. Okay. Second one is decrease price. Decrease price कैसे निकालेंगे बताइए? Decrease value upon total value into 100. क्वेश्चन करेंगे पता लग जाएगा आपको. Decrease value
सर वो डिक्रीज परसेंटेज वाला जो लीजिएगा
यहाँ पे
सर डिक्रीज वैल्यू अपॉन टोटल वैल्यू इनटू 100 तो वो डिक्रीज परसेंटेज ये सर परसेंटेज
upon total value into 100. Decrease value total value into 100 into
Sir, please scroll up.
किसी को बोला 1 second. Yes, what is your CP? CP is your cost price. SP is your selling price. Cost price means किसको खरीदना है, क्या करना है, बाई करना है किसी चीज को, ठीक है ना, इसको बाई करना है, इसको सेल ही करना है, सेल करना है, मीन्स नो, ठीक है ना, शॉर्ट करना है, शॉर्ट आउट करना है. ओके, अब हमारे पास सीपी है, एसपी है, प्रॉफिट, ठीक है. You have purchased a shirt 100 rupees and sold it to your friend to 110 rupees. You will gain a profit or loss?
Sir, profit.
Profit. SP minus CP. SP is your rupees 110 and CP is 100 rupees. So your profit is 10 rupees. Okay? Yes? Now, loss is loss. Okay? Yes. You have purchased a shirt of 100 rupees and you sold the shirt of 80 rupees.
Sir, loss.
Loss. Loss is CP is greater than SP. CP is greater than SP. Yes. Your CP is rupees 20 rupees. Rupees 20. Rupees 20. 20 rupees. Rupees 20. Profit percentage. Profit percentage. Profit into 100 by CP. Profit percentage. And fourth one is loss percentage. Loss into 100 upon Cp. Loss into 100 upon Cp. Okay, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Yes. Now the time is over. We'll continue tomorrow this introduction. Please complete it.